Hello, welcome to our video series on frequently used PDL functions in PolyAnalyst. In this video, we'll be going over the negate function. The negate function matches records which contain the function arguments in a negative context. It is the functional inverse of the possible function. For example, this expression here will match records where the word violation or its grammatical forms are negated. However, identifying negative context is not 100% accurate, so in this video, we'll set expectations regarding the results you'll see with the negate function. So in this video, a green rectangle on an example record indicates that the accompanying expression should ideally match this record. And a red rectangle indicates that ideally the accompanying expression should not match the record. Additionally, a green check mark indicates that a record is actually matched by the accompanying expression, and a red cross indicates that the record is not actually matched by the accompanying expression. So let's now take a look at some example records and expressions that utilize the negate function. Now, in these example texts, the indicators of negative contexts are not, no, and hardly. In each case, they are immediately followed by either violation or a violation. In such cases, where obvious indicators of negative contexts are immediately followed by the function arguments, the negative context is recognized by the negate function, and these records are matched. Now, in these example texts, the indicators of negative contexts are followed by phrases which contain the function argument violation. In the first record, the phrase is a major violation. In the second record, the phrase is big or serious violation. And in the third record, the phrase is offense or violation. In such cases, where indicators of negative context are followed by phrases containing function arguments, the negative context is recognized by the negate function, and then these records are matched. However, in these example texts, the indicators of negative context are not followed by the function argument violation or phrases containing the function argument. So in such cases, the negate function will fail to recognize the negative context, and these records would not be matched. Also, in records where indicators of negative context appear after the function argument, the negative context is not recognized by the negate function, and then such records are not matched. Finally, in records where the function arguments are asserted through double negatives, the negate function will fail to recognize the positive context, and therefore such records will be matched. Thanks for watching this video on the negate function. To learn about other PolyAnalyst functions, please check out our other video tutorials.